Namaste. Let's talk about discriminant. So, what is discriminant in quadratic equation? It decides which type of solutions. So, the quantity, this b square minus 4ac, that appears under the square root sign in the quadratic formula, is called the discriminant of the equation. This. So if quadratic equation given in general form like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a not equal to 0, so this quantity b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, or we can represent this value is d, capital D. So if D is positive, then the equation has two distinct real solutions, and if D equal to 0, then the equation has exactly one real solution, and if D negative, then the equation has no real solution. So let's try questions here. Here says use the discriminant to determine how many real solutions each equation has. So don't solve question, just find out D value and decide which type of how many real solutions. Okay, so let's take this question and compare with general quadratic equation. So a value here 1, b value 4, and c value -1, and our formula is d b square minus 4ac. So b value is 4, a value 1, and c value -1. So 4 is square 16, and this minus 4 times 1 times -1, it will be positive 4, and this is 20. And do you know 20, it means this is positive, greater than 0. So which type of solutions this equation has? So D is positive, then the equation has two distinct real solutions. Okay, now do this B question. Okay, what is here A value? 4, B value -12, C value 9, and again write formula. Okay, B square -12 square minus 4, A value 4, and C value 9. Okay, -12 square is 144, and 4 times 4 16, 16 times 9 144, and this is 0. So here D value is 0. It means which type of solutions? If D equal to 0, then the equation has exactly one real solution. Okay, let's try third question. A value 1 upon 3, B value -2, and C value 4. Okay, B value -2 square 4, A value 1 upon 3, and C value 4. So -2 square 4, and here 4 times 1 times 4 16, and divided by 3. So here fraction. So how to solve fraction, if and how to add or subtract? So when same denominator, we can add or subtract, but if not, so we have to make same denominator. So here in denominator 1 and here 3, so we can say here we have to make means different denominator, and we have to make same denominator. So 4 times 3, 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3, 4, and minus 16 upon 3. Now same denominator, we can easily subtract, keep right denominator, and now subtract easily numerator. 12 subtract 16 minus 4, and this is d value, and d value is negative. This is less than 0. So which type of solutions here? So if d is less than 0, then the equation has no real solution. Okay, so it has this equation has no real solutions. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask me. You can email me, you can comment. How do you feel about this video? And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.